If you want to know how to trim your natural hair without heat, in other words, without straightening or blow drying it, then you've clicked on the right video. By the time you're done watching this video, you'd know how to trim your natural hair without heat, you'd know when you need a trim and the right type of scissors to use. So if you're interested, do keep on watching. For tools, you need a brush or a fine comb and hair shears or scissors. Using the wrong scissors like a paper scissors, kitchen scissors, dressmaking scissors would result in increased damage or split ends or breaking of the hair. You need to use hair shears because they are sharper than other scissors and they are made specifically for the hair. They usually have an appendage attached to one of their finger rings and have specific blade angles that are ideal for cutting the hair. I started off on freshly washed, towel dried but unmoisturized natural hair. I moisturize my hair and trim along the way. Just please make sure you're not working on dry hair. Why should you bother trimming your hair? Hey, trimming gets rid of split ends which look like this. There are different types of split ends. If your hair is looking like this, you need a trim. Trimming promotes healthy hair and it's an important part of hair care. It's important to work in small sections. I loosen my large twist and I work on one half of my natural hair. I first moisturize my natural hair, brush it to detangle fully, and then SNIP, snip. Bye bye split ends, bye bye. That might seem like a lot if you're the type that's particular about hair length and inches. You might not approve, but for me and my hair, that much had to go. My hair is all the better for it. In terms of how much of your hair to trim off, it's on a need basis. Look at where your split ends are and then cut them off. Some people trim their natural hair periodically, for example, every 3 months, every 6 months. They have a routine and when exactly they trim their hair. In my opinion, trimming your hair should be on a needs basis. When you have split ends, please, natural hair sis or bro, trim your natural hair, okay? Take off those split ends because it helps your hair to be healthier and it just is better for your hair. Another way of knowing when you're due for a trim is when your hair starts to knot a lot more. If your strands are knotting like there's a clash of titans on your head, please grab your hair shears and trim off those split ends. If you've been enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up now, like right now. It helps this video to get to others who might like it and need it, so please help share this video. Thank you. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss when I post videos. If you're not convinced by this video to subscribe, check out the playlist on the channel. I'm sure you'll be convinced to subscribe by the time you see that I come correct to help you with your natural hair care. Remember, I worked on one half of the twisted section. For the other half, I applied my leave-in cream to my hair. I finger detangled. I detangled with my tangle teaser, and then I snipped off those unhealthy split ends. I then added my oil and then I twisted up that section. And that's it for our first section. My ends are looking healthy and happy. I'll be showing you how to trim your natural hair on the back section of my hair, so you can see how much of my natural hair I actually trimmed off at the back section. The advantage of trimming your hair without heat, like I'm doing in this video, is that you protect your hair from heat damage, thereby avoiding heat damage altogether. By trimming your hair after you've blow dried or straightened your natural hair, you're better able to see your split ends. They're more visible for you to see. But this method is a safer and equally effective method of trimming your natural hair by yourself. Again, take off what needs to go. It's really just on a needs basis. Look at your hair and see how much of those split ends need to go and then trim that off.
Like shooting stars came crashing down. has given the best that he has.
We fell out of love like shooting stars, came crashing down, and we're building back up again now. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this die. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you. I see your heart, see your mind, see all you hide. I won't let you go, can't let this die. When you lose yourself, I'll be right beside you.
If you've watched this video to this point, thank you so much. My name is Tope, and here on Irunbelle I share natural hair care, hairstyle and hair DIY videos. I also share a bit on my lifestyle from time to time. That's it from me this week. Until next Saturday, stay fabulous and bye!
I see your heart.